Okay, we're here today at Budget Heating and Air Conditioning. Gonna go over a common question we get, and that is how to install a heat strip in a Goodman package unit. So, tools you'll need to get this job done. We have a rubber mallet, a drill with the correct hex nut bit on the end of it, as well as a knife, and we have today a 10 kilowatt heat strip that we will be installing. This is a HKR 10 heat strip going into a 2-ton straight cool Goodman package unit. We'll begin. First thing we're doing is just unscrewing the cabinet. This is where the electrical goes. Pull off the bottom cabinet. And here we have our blower wheel, our motor, and the electrical panel, which we'll be opening up here in a second. Okay, so this is the panel where the heat strip will be installed. Please note there are several knockout plates. Before you knock out any of these plates, please be sure to check it with the heat strip so that you don't knock out too many of the knockout plates. Also, please notice this plug. We will be discussing this momentarily. First thing we're doing is loosening that connection to make it easier for install. Just getting it out of our way. Next step, we're going to be opening up the heat strip box, sizing the heat strip to the cabinet of the unit to be sure we don't knock out too many of the knockout panels, which would create an airflow issue if you did that. So it comes with an instruction manual, some screws, as well as the heat strip itself, which is already pre-wired. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is size it up to the unit so we can determine how many of the panels we need to knock out. So in this case, we're just going to be knocking out the first 2 panels here.
First 3.
The first 3 panels. To do this, we highly recommend the use of a rubber mallet, and if necessary, we're experts here, but protective gloves, they do not cut your fingers. They just come right out, a little bit of wiggling, you can pop it out the rest of the way. We're now opening up the packet that comes with the heat strip. We have screws, an installation manual, a warning sticker, and if at any point, please do read that warning sticker. It's very important that if you don't feel comfortable doing anything we're showing in this video, that you do not do it. There is a risk for harm if you do it incorrectly, and we still always recommend a licensed installer doing this work. This video is for informational purposes only. So now we put the heat strip in. Very important thing to note here, there's an airflow label. This label has to go in the direction of the airflow. We're installing this, of course, in the supply side of the air conditioning. This is the blower wheel. The airflow is going this way. It's very important that the direction of the arrow matches the airflow direction. We're now lining up the holes. You put it in loosely at first until you can find all of the holes in the unit, and then tighten up at the end when you're done. There's 4 holes for these heat strips. So now we're doing the final tightening procedures. Okay, now this last step here is one of the questions we get very frequently. We have many technicians and homeowners tell us that this is the wrong heat strip because the connection does not fit. There's one very important thing you must do. Right here, you remove this. That gets thrown away. And then you simply connect the wiring harness. You'll hear an audible click. So we're just making it a little bit easier by loosening the zip tie, and if necessary you can recut it and reapply a zip tie when done. Simply clicks into place. You hear an audible click and it is now wired. Again, this is a 10 kilowatt heat strip. Wiring an 8 kilowatt or a 7 kilowatt or a 5 kilowatt are all the same procedures we just showed you here. It changes when you're dealing with breakered 5, 8, or 10 kilowatts or 15 and 20 kilowatt heat strips that are breakered. So different procedure for 15 and 20 kilowatt, but for non-breakered 5, 8, or 10 kilowatt heat strips, the same procedure we showed here applies. So as you can tell, the wiring is in place, the connection is secure. We have no gaps here. It is a sealed hole. Coming around to the other side, you can see the heat strip installed on the supply side. And the last step we won't show for sake of time on this video is simply putting this panel back on, covering in here, just to cover the wire connections, and then putting the final decoration panel back over the unit. So for time purposes, we won't show you this step, but very easy to do, not a long time requirement at all. We hope you enjoyed this video, and of course, as always, please visit our website at budgetheating.com. That's budgetheating.com, or give us a call at 813-885-7999, and we'd be glad to answer any questions or concerns you may have.